Hey, it's SgtLocksmith here. We got to do a key make for a 410 cut. So we're going to pop the door lock out. If you look, you have this clip right here, which holds the lock. We prefer using the passenger side. It's the least used lock, and it's going to be a little easier to decode. I use the old trim tool pretty much on a lot of these. Probably back a little, and you can tell she's wanting to stop right there. That means that she's hasn't been apart before, so you want to treat it with a little respect no matter what the vehicle is. So I'll turn around, take a piece of paper out of my little book. I slide it in between here, that way when I need to turn around and put a little bite in there, there's a little tab, put the flat tip behind it, and there she come out. You see there's little locking tabs here. That tells me somebody's been in it. You also want to let the customer know that, hey, there might be a different key. That's why you need to make sure you ask. This lock here, you notice it's just wanting to come out. So you pull the lock out, wiggle it back and forth. You're going to turn her at a slight angle, and you can see there's a little pawl down in here. Now when you get that pawl, some people do it different ways. Me, the way I've been taught to do it is I'll turn around, play with it what I can. I've got most of it out. I take a pair of small vice grips, or you can use little forceps to get in here. Take your flat tip, twist the little pawl, just hold it with your hand. Then I take the vice grips and I go ahead and attach it to it. That way it doesn't fall back inside. Now we'll take this inside, put her on the old bench, and we'll start decoding it.